having for dinner today?
Little boy, did you just fall up in my house?
No, that wasn't me.
Little boy, are you lying to me? Because you don't go be farting in my house. And if you ask me what we eat for dinner, you better wait, cause I gotta go to the corner store, cause ain't no food in it.
What we eating for dinner? That's just what I gotta ask you.
Oh.
Don't scream at me like that again.
Little boy, you wanna open? That's what I thought. Now get in that car so we could get ready to go. Jesus Christ, all up on my nerve. Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah, Mommy, I can't wait to eat.
It's car! There you go. Alright, come on, little boy. I don't got all day now.
You know what? Since my mom tailed too slow and was making me drive, and she was driving so hard in that car, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. It's gonna be funny. Everybody gonna be like, fire.
Little boy, why are you talking to me? I don't know you. Excuse me.
You my daddy, you remember?
Boy, I ain't your daddy. You so retarded, bro. Shut up. Little boy, you talking to my kid back? Do you know what I do to children like that? Hey, so school was awesome today, you know.
Boy, first, I do not.
What is this? No, honey. I don't deal with animals like that. Come on, Cayden. Oh, goodness. All right. Come on, little boy. Oh, I dropped my keys. Oh, there we go. I got them. Whoa. God dang it. You see, little boy, you got my nerves so bad. I threw my key and they landed on that thing.
But Mama, I wasn't even talking.
I don't care if you weren't talking. You got my nerves so bad. Look what happened. Just look.
I'll get it for you, dang.
You know you cannot reach up there. Little boy, thank you for getting my key, but you ain't supposed to be jumping that high. Now I gotta get me some oranges. Now I see you later.
You know what? I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. I'm going to pull the fire alarm now. Let me go to customer service. Start. Ooh.
Did you pull that fire alarm?
Yeah.
That's it. When we get home, you getting a whooping. Cause I just sat here and why you come pulling fire alarm?
Oh my God.
Get out the building. Get out.
Oh, I'm very mad at you. It wasn't me.
Yo, dang it, I'm stuck in the ceiling. Here, booty all up in my face. You getting a whooping, boy.